So this is the Hero 10, the things that I liked about the Hero 10. I'm going to talk about these little fluffy things here in a second. Guys, let's talk about the GoPro Hero 10. What's up, my biker friends? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about cameras again, just a specific camera today, the GoPro Hero 10. Now, the GoPro Hero 10 was released in the fall of 2021, just around the time where I released my video about all the camera equipment that I have. And there's a few videos out there where I talk about my camera equipment, a few parts where I talk about the stuff that I like about the GoPro, and there's a lot of things I didn't like about the GoPro. And one of the main things were the reliability of just pushing the record button and making sure that there's actually a video coming out of it. The older models, all the way up probably to the Model 9, is my understanding, had issues with recording and failed recordings, and the reliability overall wasn't there. And that's also my experience that I had with the 7 series. I still use the 7 series and it's getting worse and worse by the day. I press the record button and you know, half the videos, not quite half the videos, but a lot of the videos, they don't turn out the way I was planning to. Now, I got the Hero 10 not so much to replace the Hero 7. I was getting the Hero 10 for a trip to Iceland with my family. I knew it was going to be a pretty rainy and windy season in Iceland. October is already winter season, or it's the start of the winter season in Iceland. And I know we were going to look at waterfalls and all these great places, and I needed a camera that is waterproof. Normally I would have used the Osmo Pocket with the gimbal to get stabilized images, but it's not waterproof, and I didn't want to use my Hero 7 because I know it was so unreliable. So I looked at the Hero 10 for a small lightweight camera that I could just bring along to just record our family vacation. And there's a few things that I really liked about the Hero on that trip, and now that I'm using it on the motorcycle. Let's start with the stuff that I liked on the Iceland trip. Now, the Hero 10, you know, through the iteration from the Hero 7 all the way to the 8, 9, and 10, there's more and more features that were updated to it. And the things that I really liked about the Hero, I got the Hero 10. So this is the Hero 10, the things that I liked about the Hero 10. I'm going to talk about these little fluffy things here in a second. But the things I liked about the Hero 10 is the different record modes that you have. Now it has a larger sensor in it now. It records at 5K now, so it's a lot more real estate on the sensor, and it gives you different options what you can do with the image. Now, one is to get a better quality image, higher resolution. I usually try to record in the highest possible resolution that I can get, even if I have to downsample it to 4K format. Taking, you know, 5K pixels into 4K format will give you better quality. So that's a great thing. So if I can, I record in a higher resolution, and gives me possibilities to crop into the picture. The other thing that I really liked about it was the image leveling. Now, the Series 9 had that already. So when you move the camera, it keeps the horizon level. So when you start combining that with the hyper smooth system, where, you know, the shake is taken out and it's leveling the horizon, it's almost like you have a gimbal. It's very close to using an Osmo Pocket in that sense, which I thought was really, really cool, because it is now a very compact package with a pretty wide angle lens, and that's also waterproof. So that's really what I liked for our vacation. Now, the other thing that I really liked was having 4K in 120 frames per second. Now, that's not something you need all the time, but it's good to have that if you want to do some slow-mo work, especially with action shots and stuff. You couldn't get 4K images out of any camera, and most 4K cameras now, they cost you know, somewhat north of 3,000 euros, but you don't get it in a small waterproof package like this. So that was another reason to get it, even though it's not a feature that I use every day. Another thing for the motorcycle that I like, where I like the GoPro, is reliability. Now, every time you press the record button, it records quickly too. The Hero 7 took a while to get started. It's not the end of the world, you know, but it takes a while. You push the button before it gets going. Now this Hero 10 is much quicker when it comes to that. Just power it on and bang, it's there. It's nice to have that front screen. I thought I didn't actually need that screen to look at yourself, but it's nice to see that it's actually recording, that it's getting the picture. So it's good to see that if I have that as my B camera, you know, sitting close to my left side mirror, and see that it's actually working, and then see the framing of the picture. And if something's wrong, you can adjust it. That's really, really cool on the motorcycle. The other thing that I like of having this GoPro 10 on the motorcycle is the different modes that you can set. There's different presets that you can set. So I have a standard white setting and 60 frames per second. It's now recording at 5K, so it gives me that higher resolution, which is really cool. But you can also use the horizontal leveling feature. So if you mount the camera, let's say, to the tail of your bike or of another bike that's riding in front of you, and you want to ride behind it, you get that sort of gimbal-like movement Now, I haven't tried that yet, but that's something that I'm looking forward to with the Hero 10. So there's a lot more applications now with the Hero 10, and the features that it has and the new processor that they put in there is probably the main reason why this works so well and so smoothly so far. I haven't had any hiccups with the Hero 10, so I'm happy that they finally have a camera out that is reliable. Time will tell. I've only used it for a few weeks now, but the first verdict is that the Hero 10 is going to be there to stay for me. Guys, quick video. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up. Leave comments in the comment section. If you aren't already, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe and stay awesome.